Ms. James Goodwin, presiding over the second judicial district. Please be seated.
All right. First case we'll take up is Megan Boswell, 72869. We'll bring her in. Ms. Boswell's in court now. Mr. Sproles and General, I think we had a couple of different motions set today, but the parties contacted my office last week. And what I understand is what we're going to hear today is the motion to reset the trial date.
That's correct, Your Honor.
And Mr. Sproles, I think this morning you filed an amendment to your motion.
I did, Judge, and
Go ahead.
We had talked with the state about that. I think they knew what the contents of that were going to be. Essentially, we're asking to reset the trial date because the last TBI lab test that we got back requires us to ask for our own expert. So we'll need time to get that done and have the expert take a look at that evidence.
General, do you want to be heard?
Your Honor, I think that they have a real basis to ask for this expert, and we have to admit that through no fault of our own, we were late in getting these forensic reports back, but because of that, it's created this situation where Mr. Sproles is asking for additional time for this expert, and it's going to take some time probably to hire the expert and have the analysis done, and then that will require a response on our part. Depending on what results of his expert's opinion is.
All right. Is there anything else at the TBI?
No, nothing. Is there anything? We have no pending test, Your Honor.
Okay. And all the discovery at this point has been turned over?
I think so. I think that everything. It's going to depend on what their expert says. Should I tell them that? What I've already said that. Me too. One of the things we would point out, Your Honor, depending on what his expert's results are, that could trigger further testing, depending on what the results are. But right now, we have nothing pending as far as everything that's been tested has been turned over and they have the results.
And without giving up strategies and whatever, can you tell me what it is that you want tested?
Judge, there was a fingerprint analysis done on a piece of evidence, which in my opinion is crucial. And that's the one that we just got back.
Well, I feel like I don't have any choice but to grant the motion. I mean, I can force you to trial in September. But everybody in this courtroom knows that if I do that and the state gets a conviction, we'll just have to retry it. So now we just got to find a place to put it. So I'm going to grant the motion to continue based on the fact that the TBI has taken months and months and months to get test results back, the lab. What about February 6th?
That's fine with the state, Your Honor.
Is that going to give you enough time to get your Rule 13? I'm assuming you're going to do a Rule 13 motion for
That's
next
correct,
week.
Judge. I think yes, that would give me time, Judge. I noticed that it appears I already have a matter set on February 8th. And to be honest with you, I can't tell if that's a trial or not.
It is. It's a DUI trial with General Griffith. This case will obviously take precedence over that.
That gentleman's out on bond, so.
All right. Trial began on February 6th at 8:30. Now, is there any reason to have a motion hearing on the 24th of June? I think that's when we were next set to be here at 1:30.
I don't think so. No, we don't think so.
I'm sorry.
No, we don't think so. We probably need another motion or two deadlines a little further out. One, we're still got that pending change of venue veneer, and we also have one regarding photographs. So we need another motion date, but not the June date.
Let's hear all the motions that, other than the change of veneer, that are pending at 1:30 on September 23rd. Does that work?
Yes, Judge, that's fine.
Yes, sure.
And if there are any new motions other than dealing with this Rule 13 analysis, the fingerprint, they'll have to be filed no later than September 5th.
Judge, should we make that September 6th? Looks like the 5th's a holiday.
That's fine. So our next court date in this case is September 23rd at 1:30. Trial date will be February 6th at 8:30. Anything else we need to take up today?
Judge, do you want to go ahead and schedule the change of veneer?
We can. You want to do that on December 16th at 1:30?
That's fine.
I think we ought to do that a little earlier.
What do you all think? Yeah,
You think? That's
we
good?
think it ought to be close, but you think that's close? That should be about right.
All right, December 16th at 1:30. Okay. It is.
She needed help.